Okay, so we're getting ready to head inside of Aldi to do our camping trip meal prep. I wanted to share this process with you guys to help you get some ideas for meals for camping and different things that you can eat when you are camping. It doesn't have to just be hot dogs and burgers and all that. It could be a little bit fancier. So I want to take you inside of Aldi with me, show you everything that I'm getting, and then also do a meal prep video to show you, and then I'll also show you like cooking and stuff when we're at the campsite.
We come alive in the nighttime. Something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
So far I have gotten all my produce for our fruit salad and for our burgers and a few snacks for the girls and for us. And we are moving on into, let's see, like the meat section. So let's see what they've got.
We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive.
So the girls usually want something sweet when we're camping aside from s'mores. So I got them these chocolate Teddy Grahams. Brad and I are trying to eat better, so that will keep the temptation away from us.
Want me by the look in your eyes. Tell me that you want me. I can see you want me by the look in your eyes. We come alive.
Okay, we're getting close to being done. I found everything on my list so far, so now I need to find bacon and sausage, Lunchables for the girls, and some Greek yogurt.
Moonlight, that look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. Yeah. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep.
Okay, so I was able to get everything I needed except for Spanish rice to go with our fajitas and breakfast potatoes. So I will have to get those somewhere else. And also a case of water. They didn't have any big cases, so I'll have to get those somewhere else probably tomorrow night. But everything else I was able to get at Aldi, so let's go check out and see what the total is.
We come alive.
All right, we're finished with Aldi shopping. I was able to get everything except for my breakfast potatoes, Spanish rice, and they didn't have like Hershey's brand chocolate bars. So I'm gonna have to get those somewhere else, probably Target or Walmart or something in the next couple of days. Our total was $103 for an entire weekend of camping food. That's breakfast, lunch, dinner, drinks, snacks, all of those things. Brad and I are trying to eat a little bit healthier. So some of this stuff is organic. Some of it is, you know, a little bit more expensive because that's how healthier food is. It's more expensive, but that's okay. I think $100 for food for an entire weekend isn't so bad. I'm excited to try these new recipes and share them with you on our meal prep video, which is going to be the one after this one. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, your camping friends, and follow along on our adventures. Bye.